Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do the horizon calibration on Osmo 360 from DJI. To do it, slide down from the top of your screen, then go to the settings in top right corner. Now you may need to scroll down a little bit until you find horizon calibration. Then place your device like this on a flat surface. Then click on confirm. Don't touch the camera and keep it on flat surface. It's loading currently. I know you can't see it, but once it's done you'll see calibration complete. Click on confirm, and now the horizon has been calibrated. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.